In about 4 billion years, our home galaxy, the Milky Way, will merge with the nearest large spiral galaxy called the Andromeda Galaxy. Will humans survive? And what will happen to the black holes after the Andromeda and Milky Way collision? Watch this video to find out. The Andromeda Galaxy is approaching the Milky Way at nearly 250,000 miles per hour. Absolute chaos will begin as the two galaxies approach each other, eventually becoming Milkomeda or Milkdromeda. Until 2012, it was not known whether the collision was definitely going to happen or not. Researchers, using Hubble to track the motions of stars in Andromeda with unprecedented accuracy, concluded the galaxies would collide in about 4 billion years. According to simulations, the remnant will look like a giant elliptical galaxy, which is a blob-like galaxy without discernible spiral arms or an internal structure. Okay, so what's the future of our solar system? Scientists predict a 50% chance that in a merged galaxy, the solar system will be swept out 3 times farther from the galactic core than its current position. During the collision, there is a 12% chance that the solar system could be entirely ejected from the newly formed galaxy. By the time the two galaxies collide, the surface of the Earth will have already become far too hot for liquid water to exist, due to the gradually increasing luminosity of the Sun, ending all terrestrial life. What happens to the black holes after the Andromeda and Milky Way collision? The Milky Way and Andromeda each contain a central supermassive black hole. These black holes will eventually spiral into one another and converge near the center of the newly formed galaxy over a period that may take millions of years. Gas taken up by the combined black holes could create an active galactic nucleus. If humans manage to survive the impact, the night sky will be a sight to behold. And that's the fascinating story of the collision between the Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies. If you enjoyed this journey through space and want to learn more about the mysteries of our universe, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and remember, the sky is not the limit.